crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and this is just a quick video to talk about the Riley Blake door hanger of the month. So I am pretty excited. Yes, let's be clear. I have not done the April door hanger yet. So that is Easter. There's still time. It's only, March 4th. So I could possibly get it done in time for Easter 2024. And you know what? The world will not stop spinning if I don't. And if it ends up being 2023. I did buy a light board, specifically bought the light board to start cutting some of those out. I'm hoping that the door hanger for this month will not be as complicated. So it doesn't look so. So this is May in Bloom door banner kit. It was designed by Fran, somebody with a Q last name, G, Gulick of Cotton and Joy. And let's take a look. I think that's a pretty door hanger. If you were not subscribed to this, I got this through the Fat Quarter Shop. What I didn't realize is I think I subscribed to this twice. So the additional ones we are at this point putting over on the Quilting Guys whenever Curtis gets called up. So they'll be available at some point. But anyways, I'm not sure if they're still commercially out there available or not. But comes in a nice case. And I will have to say, kind of like the pattern for the month of May. Wow. Patted it down in there pretty nice. Stick that over there. So this is May in Bloom. This is the final version. It does come with everything that you need. So it does come with all the instructions, all the cutting instructions, piecing, and how this gets put together. So it looks like there's not any trace and cut and applique like the first one. So who knows? Maybe I will get this done in time for spring of 2024, but we don't know. But I will say I like these fabrics. I thought Riley Blake, for the Easter one overall, I liked it. There was a couple of fabrics in there I think they could have done a little bit better job on. But this is pink, and it's really hard to tell, but it's that pastel, very soft pink. I love these greens, and I don't know why. All of a sudden, I'm getting very hung up on green. We were looking at furniture for the new house and actually picked out the house is going to be light gray inside with a charcoal kind of dark gray sofa, reclining sofa thing. And I wanted an accent chair, and we ended up picking a bluish, blue-green, blue and green kind of combo. This is really going to be pretty for you look at the detail on those leaves. And then pink polka dot, which is the overall background fabric. So I think this will really be pretty. Like I said, I'm really kind of getting hung up with the green colors and that. But I think for spring, I've just been excited for spring. I think just because it's been a cold winter. I know it has across the nation, definitely. And even here in Arizona, it's been very cold to the extent I've had to get jackets out and that. So overall, what do I think about Riley Blake, May in Bloom? I really like this. I need to sit down and study it a little bit to figure out all the cuts that are here. But it does have a lot of cute colors in it. And I like that it's just simple with the shaded pinks and the shaded greens on this white polka dot fabric. Because we do a lot of things, right? So I'm working on this pattern that's got all these different fabrics, all these different colors, all this almost overstimulating fabrics and patterns and that. This is kind of clean and simple, and that's typically more of our style. We really like that clean, simple. So overall, real happy with May and the way that is going to work out. We shall see. I will tell you, Shabby Fabrics is, I think, the other place we subscribe to. She is posting a video once a month walking you through how to do this. I'm sure this video will be how to get all this cut, get this all pieced together, and get this done. I did watch her video for the first month on the applique for Easter. I have yet to do it, but we will get there. So with that said, that is my quick take on Monday afternoon. Hope things are going well for you. Again, if you like what we're doing, hit that thumbs up. Tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone that'll listen about our channel. We continue to grow. We appreciate each and every one of you. If there's something in particular you'd like to see us chase after, please put a note down below or send us a comment. I definitely would love that. One of the things coming up soon is we're going to work on derby, a lot of derby stuff. I just got 12 dozen silk flowers in, so I have 144 roses sitting around the house that we're going to start putting together to get ready for derby on May 4th. But with that said, thanks for dropping in. My name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2, and until next time, happy crafting.